Rolling in Clover, the path to prosperity in language. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that paints a vivid picture of success and comfort. Rolling in clover. This phrase has roots deep in imagery and history, and understanding it can add a rich layer to your English comprehension. So, let's explore what it means to be rolling in clover, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Stay tuned to enrich your English vocabulary. Rolling in clover is an idiom that signifies being in a state of luxury, wealth, or great comfort. When someone is said to be rolling in clover, it means they are experiencing a period of significant success or prosperity. The imagery here is of someone literally rolling around in a field of clover, an action that suggests carefree joy and abundance. Clover, being a plant associated with good luck and prosperity, especially when one finds a four-leaf clover, emphasizes the idea of exceptional fortune. The phrase, rolling in clover, originates from the 19th century, a time when agricultural prosperity was a significant marker of success. Clover is particularly known for enriching the soil and providing excellent grazing for livestock, making it a symbol of agricultural abundance. Over time, this literal association with agricultural success evolved into a metaphorical expression of general prosperity and well-being. Incorporating idioms like rolling in clover into your speech can make your English sound more natural and expressive. Here are a few examples of how to use it. Describing someone's success. After his app went viral, he's been rolling in clover. Reflecting on a period of prosperity. We were really rolling in clover during the early 2000s. Aspirations for the future. With this new job, I hope to be rolling in clover soon. Remember, while it's a positive phrase, it's usually used in informal contexts. So, it's perfect for casual conversations or creative writing, but perhaps not for very formal or business communications. And there you have it, a deep dive into the idiom, rolling in clover. It's a colorful way to express success and prosperity, rooted in imagery that evokes happiness and abundance. We hope this exploration adds a new layer to your English language skills and that you find yourself rolling in clover in your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.